Good evening, everyone. There are a lot of questions about this function increasing, decreasing. What values are we reading? Why aren't we using bracket although the points are close? So I just want to emphasize that we can come back to this later on. But I guess I'm losing you at an important point. That's why I found the need to make this recording. So increasing function values happens as x increasing, y increase. So it's something like that, right? Decreasing function values happen when it goes down. So you can identify the direction, but you cannot give the correct interval. First of all, these points, humps or peak points, cannot be included because at those points function is neither increasing nor decreasing. So this problem is coming from lab manual page 70. There are WebAssign problems. There was a question in Blackboard quiz 1, and I think you might have a similar question in your assignment. I'm not sure, but this will be one of your test questions also, so I really would like you to understand this concept well. So for instance, if the question was asking where the function is increasing, okay, so then you would say that this is the interval function is increasing, and we only write the x values. Okay. And no matter what, it will be parentheses because the endpoints are the peak points is function neither increasing nor decreasing. It will be a relative maximum or relative minimum or absolute minimum, absolute maximum. So here for that answer, it will be negative 1.694 till 2.631. Okay, so that's increasing. If the question was asking decreasing, nothing is changing. We're still looking at the x values. So this is the portion, function is decreasing. This is the portion, function is decreasing. And it's happening from negative infinity, okay, till negative 1.694 union 2.361 to positive infinity. Hence one thing, we have included this point both increasing and decreasing as we're showing it in the interval. That's why we cannot have that as a bracket, although there is no hole. Okay, so it's got nothing to do with closed circle, open circle. It's something to do with, because at that point, this point, when x is equal to 2.361, is actually a relative maximum for the function. Here, this point, when x is equal to negative 1.94, is a relative minimum. So function is neither increasing nor decreasing at those x values. Okay, it's relative because we do have a less value than this one. We do have a higher value than this one. Okay, hope this helps. Take care. See you soon again. Bye.